my goodness. I I was at my room. I was in my room and I opened the window. Look, it's a raining day. I was at my room and I opened the window and it's windy day. Then I saw the lightning and I was like, "Oof, it's going to be rain." And now it's raining. So just walk around. Breathing some air, and guess what? End up with a chai karak, the sweetest chai. Okay, let's continue talk. So I read the news last week regarding this forecast. They are doing cloud seeding again, and there might be rain. And past 2 days it's raining, but it's like really light rain. But I don't know it this kind. Today raining is going to be heavy rain or going to cause more floods. I don't know about that. Okay, now I'm reaching. Guys, oh my god, it's raining really, really hard. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's raining. Oh, look. I'm so excited about raining, you know. Because last time when I was in Saudi Arabia, it's really, really hard to rain. It's raining like twice in a year, and it's like 2 or 3 minutes only. So I don't care. This is cloud seeding or fake raining, whatever you want to call it. But thank you, Europe. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna miss this. It's gonna be a couple rough days for me. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's going on with me. I kind of have like a really low mood this time. I don't know. Maybe because of the heat. I don't know. Well, we don't know, right? So I hope for the next couple of days my mood's gonna be okay, back to normal, and I need to finish up what am I doing, my works, my pending job. By the way, it's been a while since I've been active in social media for past 2-3 years. I've been quiet for a long time for a certain reason, for a really good reason. I'm gonna tell you one day, okay, the story about it. But I think this year is gonna be a good year, so I decided to come back. But unfortunately, there is some issues with my social media, because my Instagram, my TikTok, mostly my Instagram is a 15 years old Instagram account. Okay, so you know my my followers is since 15 years back, since I was teenagers, and I shouldn't continue that account anymore because You know, I appreciate privacy right now. I really do appreciate the peace of mind, and I decided I want to close that account, and maybe I will create a new one with a very close friends only. And I don't know about my TikTok account. It's growing fast. Since past few months, it's almost 6,000 followers. Maybe because I frequently doing live talking and so on. People likes my content. Even here in Dubai, some agencies contact me for joining their TikTok agency for hosting and so on, for event attending, for brand collaborations. I told them, let me think first because I don't know if I want to continue this account, because this account is created in Malaysia, and it's kind of more like it's like 70% the audience is from Asia, from Malaysia itself. I don't know yet. I didn't decide anything yet. I'm just coming home with my tea, and I'm doing some audit for my spending since past month. You know, yeah, I think I have a good spending. I mean, like, I'm not spending on something I didn't need to. I just spending something that I really need to. Good for me, alhamdulillah. Now, every time I want to spend something, I have to think twice. You know, is it I use for me or not? Is it just I wanted to buy but I don't want to use it? So I think twice before I bought something. It's a good thing because you need to do that. You have to do that, no matter how rich you are, or I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I think the rain is almost stopped already. It's raining less than before, but thank you for the rain. Syukur, alhamdulillah. Oh, I can smell. It's a raining smell. This smell I miss a lot. It is nice if you have this kind of rainy weather in like a mountain area, or you can smell the grass after the raining with the wind. Oh, it's so nice. By the way, I think my YouTube account has been grown to 11 subscribers. As for now, I don't know where you guys watching me, but thank you so much. I'm going to share with you guys with my moments of life, my thought, my everything. Okay, and it's kind of raw. I'm not editing anything. I'm not cut any of my talk, of my video, of nothing. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy my channel, and please share and subscribe more. Thank you guys. Love you.